shortcut, or if you don't have one, just type it in the search, FiveM, right-click on it, right-click on it on the app, and then click on Open File Location. And then again, you will find a shortcut and just right-click on it and click on Open File Location. And then we should end up in a folder looking something like this. And here, just open the application data folder. And in here, we need to do a few things. First of all, I would suggest you to delete the crashes folder. And also delete everything that is in the logs folder. So just select everything that is in here and then just delete it. You can also, if there are many logs, just open, just click on or type Ctrl+A on your keyboard and then just delete it. So it's easier for you, maybe. Then open the data folder, and in here we need to do we need to open the cache folder, and again here delete everything that is in here. And the same thing for server cache. Also open this folder and delete everything that is in here. And that's already it. That's how you can delete your cache. Yeah, there's really nothing more to it. If you've got any questions, just leave them in the comment section below. I really hope this helped you guys. If so, leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If not, just also leave a comment. And that's it. Wish you a wonderful day. Bye.